Dream of making your YouTube videos as successful as mrbeast's? It's not just a fantasy, it's a potential reality. mrbeast's success is no accident. It's a blend of understanding his audience, igniting creativity, and maintaining consistency. These factors have transformed his videos into a beastly phenomenon. The good news? You can harness these elements too. With a little effort, your videos could also roar with success. So, are you ready to unleash the beast in your videos? Let's dive into the steps. Scene script. Step 1. Get to know your audience. Knowing your audience is the cornerstone of successful content creation. It's like being a chef. You wouldn't serve a steak to a vegetarian, would you? Just like that, understanding who's watching your videos is essential. Think about it. Your audience's demographics, their preferences, their engagement, all these elements play a crucial role. Are they young or old, gamers or foodies, fans of comedy or suspense? Dig into your YouTube analytics. What videos get the most likes, comments, shares? What topics spark the most engaging conversations? Do they love longer videos or do they prefer shorter, snappier content? Once you've figured out these patterns, you can tailor your content to match their tastes. This is how you transform casual viewers into die-hard fans. This isn't just about pleasing the crowd, it's about creating a genuine connection with your audience. Remember, the more you understand your audience, the better your content will resonate with them. Step 2. Unleash your creativity. The world of YouTube is a canvas waiting for your vibrant strokes. And the paint? That's your creativity. It's what sets you apart, makes your videos a unique spectacle in the vast ocean of content. So how do you harness this creativity? Start with brainstorming. Let your ideas flow freely, no matter how wild or outlandish they may seem. It's from this pool of ideas that you'll fish out your next big hit. Next, don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats. Just as a painter isn't limited to one style, you're not limited to one type of content. Explore, experiment, and discover what resonates with your viewers. Keep your fingers on the pulse of what's trending. Trends are like waves, ride them to reach more viewers, but remember to add your unique twist to it. Don't be afraid to break the mold and try something new. It's all about being unique and standing out. Step 3. Consistency is key. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter. Imagine you've just discovered a new restaurant, you love their food, but every time you visit, they're closed at random times. Frustrating, right? The same principle applies to your YouTube channel. Consistency isn't just about posting videos regularly, it's about establishing a rhythm that your audience can rely on. When your viewers know when to expect new content, they're more likely to come back for more. It's like setting a dinner date with your audience, and who doesn't love a good dinner date? But it's not just about the viewers. Consistency also plays a big role in how YouTube's algorithms work. The more regularly you post, the more visibility your channel gets, increasing your chances of attracting new viewers. So, whether you're aiming to be the next mrbeast, or just want to share your passion with the world, remember this. Consistency might seem tough, but it's a proven way to build an audience and enhance your YouTube success. Scene script. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Now we've understood the beastly success, identified our audience, unleashed our creativity, and maintained consistency. But there's another crucial aspect that we can't overlook. That's right, engaging with our audience. It's like hosting a party. You can't just invite people over and then ignore them, right? Interaction is key. Answering comments is a fantastic way to start. It shows you value their opinions and appreciate their time, but don't stop there. Consider hosting live chats. This helps to create a real-time connection with your audience, making them feel involved and appreciated. It's like having a conversation with a friend, except this friend might be halfway across the world. Another powerful tool is creating community posts. Share behind-the-scenes snippets, ask for suggestions, or simply share a meme. These posts foster a sense of community, making your audience feel more connected to you and your content. Engagement is not just about views or likes, it's about building a community around your content. To recap, the path to YouTube success involves knowing your audience, being creative, staying consistent, and engaging with your audience. Remember, understanding who your viewers are will set the foundation. Let your creative juices flow, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Consistency in content and schedule is your best friend. Lastly, foster a connection with your viewers. Engage, respond, and listen to their feedback. Now go ahead and unleash the beast in your YouTube videos. Good luck and happy creating.